you can spend a lot of time talking about how to get rich. You may have heard that in the hands of 1% of people, 80% of the wealth is concentrated. Nowadays, many believe that rich people made their money by stealing. But if you look at rich people, you can see a number of habits. And in this video, I will tell you about several habits of rich people that will help you improve your well-being and succeed. First habit: constant reading. If you ask the question of rich people, how many minutes do they read a day? Then the majority will answer that they devote at least 30 minutes a day to reading. Rich people believe that reading is the most essential habit that will help them become rich. Indeed, while reading, you get a lot of useful information that you can later apply in practice. As you read, you increase your value. While reading, you will learn how to sell your services more expensively. Second habit: constantly learn and learn new things. In our world, the one who has the necessary information and skills wins. Wealthy people are constantly learning and learning new skills to keep up with the times. You need to devote half of your time to self-development because the world always moves only forward. And if you don't learn anything, then you remain in the same place. That is, you degrade. Third habit: building big, long-term goals. All rich people have big, long-term goals, which help them not to lose enthusiasm and work even harder. Big goals charge a lot of energy and make you move on. By setting long-term goals, you will have certain opportunities to improve your life. Fourth habit: managing your personal finances. Wealthy people are quite careful with their money. They spend money prudently, and in some, start by keeping track of their money. Wealthy people allocate money for everyday expenses, for entertainment, and save money in their exhaustible supply. They invest a certain amount of money in various projects. This way of distributing money helps to keep track of expenses and use money wisely. This makes rich people even richer. Fifth habit: meeting rich people. Choose your surroundings carefully. A person's environment influences him greatly. If you are in the circle of millionaires, then you will become one. Your environment shapes your lifestyle now and in the future. Try to make up your environment of those people who have achieved more than you in some area. Sixth habit: get up early. Successful people wake up 2 hours earlier than their day begins. This is the most productive time for them, and during this time, rich people make difficult decisions. Seventh habit: doing what you love. Rich people say that doing what they love helps them earn most of their capital. When you do your favorite thing, you are ready to devote all your free time and energy to it. You try to get better and better every time. You try to succeed in your business. You improve your skills and abilities, which is necessary to achieve great success. Many people want to be successful, but only if you succeed. Desire isn't enough. You have to work on yourself, and the habits in this video are the foundation of success. But by observing them, you develop good habits that are so necessary to achieve success.